Hi crafters! Today, Needle Pointers will show you how to make this fun loopy fleece boa for St. Patrick's Day. Once you make one of these, you'll want to make more for other holidays. For a patriotic boa, use red, white, and blue fleece. How about a Christmas boa with red, white, and green? This is an easy sewing project, so let's get started. What you will need is 1/4 yard each of 3 coordinating green stretchy fleece fabrics, tearaway stabilizer, pencil, rotary cutter, cutting mat and ruler, yardstick, matching thread, and a sewing machine. Cut pieces of the tearaway stabilizer 6 inches wide. Then pin them together until they measure 60 inches. You can pin or tape them. Now, you can tape them because you will be sewing down the middle. You won't be sewing on the sides. So if you just tape the outer sides, that is fine. Mark a line down the center of the stabilizer strip. And the center, of course, is at 3 inches. So I put little marks along 3 inches away from each side. And then just with a pencil, and I'm using a yardstick because it's easier, but you can use a different type of ruler, just mark right down the center with a pencil. Trim away the selvage from the fleece. Then as you see, it's already folded in half. Fold it in half again, aligning the cut edge straight. Then using a ruler, a rotary cutter, and a mat, cut the fleece crosswise into 1/2 inch strips. Continue doing that, cutting 1/2 inch strips on all 3 colors. Set your sewing machine for a narrow, short zigzag. Here is an example of what I'm using. Okay, then you're going to begin by placing one of the color strips over the center line. And you're going to begin to stitch it down along that center line. Leave the presser foot down, or I'll show you another method also that you can use. Then take the strip to the outside edge, fold it over, place it under, and try to get it as close as you can to the other strip, and then sew that one down. Okay, again, take the strip, fold it to the outside edge, and then underneath as close as you can, and stitch. Now, if you have the needle down feature on your sewing machine, you could do it and raise the presser foot each time with the needle down, and I'll show you that. Okay, the needle's down. Now you could raise the presser foot, fold the piece over to the edge, the outside edge, and as close as possible to the other strip that you just sewed or were sewing, and then sew. Now you're going to continue to do this with the first color. Then after you do the first color, do the second color and the third color the same way. As you can see, I've sewed the 3 colors together. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a fleece strip, and we are going to center it over the stitching like this, and we're going to stitch through all 3 layers. After sewing the strip on, then carefully tear away the stabilizer. It's finished. To remove excess lint, fluff the boa in the dryer on the air setting. Did you enjoy this video on making a loopy boa? Please like, share, and comment, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our upcoming videos and tutorials. Follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. If you want more free sewing projects, visit our over 600 free sewing projects and patterns page at needlepointers.com.